lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and welcome to another Amazon haul video. So in this haul, you're gonna see some amazing sarees from Amazon which I have ordered for my mom because she loves to wear sarees. So I have gifted her all these sarees, and yes guys, she loved it. So I'm gonna show you what are the things that you can gift to your mothers. Not just mother, you can wear yourself because I'm gonna wear it too, because जो mom का है वो मेरा है, जो मेरा है वो mom का है. So that is the theory between me and my mom. So yes guys, please let me know in the comment box below if you follow the same theory. Okay, so yes guys, you're gonna see some amazing collection of sarees in this haul which are all under 500 rupees. Yes guys, classy but affordable. So yes guys, that is it. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, but before we move forward, I just want to inform you guys that Amazon Ultimate Brand Sale is live now. Shop now and avail great discounts on top brands. So yes guys, that is it. So now let's continue with our videos. So guys, these are the items that I have with me. So the first item that I have with me is this. Let me show you this one only because it's already out. Okay. Okay. So yes guys, this is the first saree that I have with me here. Like you can see, right? So this is in green color, like pura floral wala design diya hua hai. It's so summery wala saree hai guys. You can see that pura summery wala saree hai. My mom loved this color. So yes guys, this is the 5.5 meter long saree, and which I absolutely love it. It is a linen material. So if you want to gift someone, your mother, your cousin, your sister, or yourself, go for it because it is absolutely amazing. Its original price was 1700 and something rupees, but on sale it just cost me 450 rupees, and I think in 450 it is an amazing deal. Okay, so another item that I have with me is, ta-da! Guys, this is another item that I have with me. This is my personal favorite from this haul. This saree is so classic, like trust me guys, just look at it. And this is definitely, I'm gonna wear it because this is a vibe guys. I like the pattern, very classic color which is in brown and golden, or you can say not exactly golden, brown and cream color you can say, and you can see that it is so pretty. Again, it is a 5.5 meter long, and it is a cotton saree which is perfect for summer. Okay, and also it include blouse. So yeah, this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So you don't have to worry to buy extra blouse for this sarees because it include blouse piece as well. Okay, so yeah, this is the one that I have with me. I just absolutely love it. Just look at it. I can wear it in multiple ways, guys. Trust me, multiple ways. Like, can't wait to wear it. Its original price was 2500 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 480 rupees, and I think in 480 it is a steal deal. So yes guys, this is my favorite from this haul. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. Okay, so this is the another item that we have in this haul. This is like very simple yet elegant wala. Isa wala pura sari. You can see that this sari is giving me pura teacher or politician kind of vibe. I don't know, but very simple and elegant, like so good. थोड़ा सा shiny वाला भी इसमें material दिया हुआ है. You can see that this is the main part. You can see that's so pretty. It's a silk blend material, and again it is a 5.5 meter long, and it includes blouse piece as well. Okay, and it is available in another like light blue and cream color, but I decided to go with this one because my mom loved this color. So this is the achal guys. You can see that very classy and very elegant, I can say. So yes guys, this is the another one that I have with me, and again it is a 5.5 meter long. Its original price was 1799, but on sale it just cost me 379 rupees, and I think in 379 this is the perfect saree for you to wear it, or if you want to give someone, like simple, affordable and elegant. That's all. So yes guys, this is another saree that I have with me. Toodles. Okay, so now moving towards our last saree. Ta-da! Guys, this is the last saree. Like पूरा आलिया भट्ट वाला मुझे vibe दे रहा है ये वाला. Very simple. Rocky and Rani ki kahani mein, she was wearing all this kind of sari, like very sexy. So you can, it's up to you how you're gonna wear it. Okay, so yeah, this is the one that I have with me, and it is a chiffon material. Okay, mera sari na idhar sab ma different material ka hai. Cotton ka hai, linen ka hai, silk ka hai, chiffon ka hai. So yes guys, I've included all the material. So yes guys, this is the chiffon material, and again it is a 5.5 meter long, and it also includes house piece. Okay, it's the best part, and yeah, just look at it, so pretty. This is the sari that we have here. it's 5 meter 5 long. So this is the blouse piece we have here. This is the blouse piece, and yes guys, it is a chiffon material. Another color is also available in this one, but this is very simple and elegant for regular day-to-day basis. You can go with this sari, okay? Very elegant, perfect for summer. So yes guys, this is another item that I have with me, and its original price is 1249 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 449, and I think in 449 it is a steal deal. So yes guys, this is the last sari that we have here in this haul. Okay, so this is the last item that I have with me. I told you guys this is the sari haul, but trust me guys, sari के साथ आपको shoes भी तो चाहिए, and my mom this day she can't wear high heels, so sari में थोड़ा सा heels तो बनता ही है. So that's why I've ordered this one for her. So this is the one that I have with me. Ta-da, guys, so this is the heels. I love the color. It is in brown color. थोड़ा black भी नहीं है, थोड़ा brown वाला color है. You can see that's so chic and so pretty. And then इसका heels भी block वाला है. इतना heavy heels ही नहीं, very light shoes, and इतना अच्छा वाला cushion का work दिया है अंदर से. You can see that, right? इतना ज़्यादा cushion का work दिया हुआ है. So comfortable. This is in size 3 because मेरा मम्मी का पैर ना मेरे से भी छोटा है. So I have ordered this size 3 for her, and it fits her perfect. She just loved it. My mom is very picky when it comes to heels or shoes, but this one she loved it, okay? And this is available in other multiple colors, and sizes are also available. So this is the one guys, and मैंने ऐसा वाला मम्मी को ना black में भी पहले order कर चुकी हूँ. So this time I have ordered this one brown color, which is perfect, very classy color it is. And then guys, it is a fox leather. And then yes guys, this is the one that I have with me, and its original price was 2000 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 499, and I think in 499 it is a steal deal. Mommy, तपाईँको जुत्ता तपाईँलाई कस्तो लाग्यो? यति बेसी मैले तपाईँलाई साडी गिफ्ट गरेँ, यो गिफ्ट गरेँ, कस्तो लाग्यो भनिदिनुहोस्?
मलाई पुरा राम्रो लाग्यो, मलाई पुरा खुसी लाग्यो. मेरो छोरीले मलाई के ल्याइदिएको छ, मगाइदिएको छ. I am very appreciate. I am very happy.
Happy, and we are twinning today. Blue आमा र म हैन आज.
Yes.
So yes guys, thank you for watching. भनिदिनु न.
Thank you for watching.
Bye भनिदिनु न.
Bye.
So yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and please do let me know in the comment box below what are the other Amazon haul videos that you want to see on my channel, and I'll surely come up with that as well. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and all the links to the products is in the description box below. Make sure to go and check it out. So yes guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.